Here about Edenta and Kumaya. Today, can the copy Edenta and yes, so everybody can ever to represent the Awidem concerned stakeholders. Edenta, here let up men. We are already taking over. What's our equipment inside? One of our grandson, our good brother, who has also made a lot of huge sacrifice. No money not here. So Edenta is taking for granted. So so ndị Edenta ya na-ekwu bụ na unu ga-apụta ibe support to this na anyị na-eme ọ bụ unu na onye na ị ga na-azụ ụlọ ọ na-akpọ Edenta ihe Edenta ahụ ka anyị nọ n'ihe gbara ọsọ ma anyị nọ here na mgbe eletrik nọdụmele ka unu ji stainless mara so today ka anyị nwere security base na Edenta and issue of Edenta abụrụla ihe mgbe ndị ochie ihe Ebubedike nwoke na-eti eti ọ nọ na Edenta onye Edenta ka ọ bụ ọnwa Edenta ezigbo nwa Edenta mere sacrifice wesi na ala be ha ga-adịrịrị my brother very soon gwa ndị awọ ihe oriri ma ndị mụ ma ndị egide ha chịrịkwa ọkụrụ ihe na sokwa ndị ọjọọ na onye ji oye ji arazi mmiri ọkpọta ka ọ dị ọfọ. Are we there here? No, we them now. Are we?
Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 13th of August 2025, live and direct from the Magnetic Jigs TV in Biafra land. We are bringing this news to you. Now, guys, this is Edenta. Edenta is part of the village that is in Orsu, local government of Imo State. This is Edenta. The people of Edenta are celebrating that they have used the Musa and the Asari boys to destroy Biafran Liberation Army in Edenta. According to them in this video, they say that they are the one that did it, that if not because of them, that by now the Biafran Liberation Army will still be in Edenta. They will still be tormenting people. This is what they are saying. This is what they are jubilating. So this guy is Ebubeagu. If you can record that voice note of Ebubeagu that is threatening to buy Gentle the Yahoo, you can now see the Ebubeagu himself, the DOS personnel, as they are celebrating that they have used the Musa personnel to destroy the Biafran Liberation Army of Simon Ekpa. Because they hate Simon Ekpa so much. That is, they don't want to do anything. They don't even want to hear Simon Ekpa at all from anyone's mouth. They hate him so much. But the question now is, look at these herdsmen. They are acquiring more weapons. They are being prepared on how to launch attack. But where are the Musa boys? The Musa boys are not attacking them. The governors of their state is not even attacking them. Nobody is even attacking them. They are having free time, importing new materials. Imagine, how is it possible that all these bandits are importing this kind of vehicles, all this kind of machineries, all this kind of ammunitions to fight the government, but down in the east part of Nigeria. But down in Biafra land, you can see that when they are put a sisi ajụọla m ajụ before were sị ọ bụrụ na ndị DOS nyere gọọmenti aka wee gbuo Simon Ekpa, wee gbuo Gentle the Yahoo, wee gbuo Igwe Bute Ụzọ, wee gbuo all the commanders of Biafran Liberation Army, ajụjụ m wee bụrụ kedu ka ha ga-esi wee continue kwa with their ESN? Kedu ka ha ga-esi wee continue kwa with their Biafra struggle? Does it mean that their Biafra struggle is dead? Does it mean that they have abandoned Nnamdi Kanu or what? This is what we don't understand. If you are against Simon Ekpa just because you don't like his method, or just because Simon Ekpa took charge from you, now you are inviting your fellow enemy to fight your enemy, Simon Ekpa. Let's say that you guys succeeded in destroying or bringing Simon Ekpa down. Then, do you think that the enemy you brought to fight your enemy will allow you to be? Or are you telling us that you have quit the struggle of Biafra, that you have surrendered to the government? If that's what you guys are telling us, then come out plain and tell us that, so that we will actually know who you guys are working for.
All right. I will start by telling Biafrans that do not be moved. A lot is happening and a lot will still happen. I'm telling you the truth. Now, I want to start by the resignation of our brother, Ugo 247. A man I respect so much, a man that I love so much. My mentor, a man that whenever I call him, he picks my call. Ugo is a legendary, no matter what. I want you people to see him as that legend that he is. Now, going forward, I want to also discuss about Igwe Butuzo. Igwe Butuzo said a whole lot of bad things to our deputy prime minister, which he is not supposed to do so. Our people, and I want to say that for the very first time. Any man who said he cannot talk is evil. Any man that said he cannot address, he doesn't know how to talk, is evil. When you see good thing, you don't talk. But when you see evil thing, you come and you put small so that things will start going bad. Now, on the resignation of our brother Ugo 247, I understand perfectly well what went wrong. So it's not something serious. I must tell you guys this. It is not something serious in the sense that I know a bit of what happened. I know a bit of what happened. So it wasn't supposed to be this back and forth. It's not something serious like you people are thinking. Maybe it's connected to the military, maybe it's not connected to the military. I'm not speaking for Ugo 247 anyways. I just want you to understand what is going on. Because Adadi Orama came and started using it as program. And Adadi Orama, she's a devil. A devil and a devil. That is what that woman is. So she started talking rubbish on a platform, which I was just watching and like, this woman is just evil. So Ugo 247 has given her platform to speak evil on the USB, which is very bad. Very, very bad indeed. Now, why Ugo 247 decided to resign is not something serious. It is something that, was supposed to be addressed. It's just a small issue that is not even connected to the military. Do you get? So now, because Adadi Orama said, oh, why don't you come and tell us what's on our life or by the Gentle's brother? Hey, you know all these things. If you don't come, you see, this woman is very manipulative. And if people are not careful around this woman, she will drag you down. Adadi Orama is evil. She's a devil. Now, Ugo 247 decided that enough of this thing, that I cannot be, underlooked. And people who are just coming in will be, giving a badge of honor, and me that have been here will not be given badge of honor that I deserve. He deserves it. And that is why I don't want to go into details. The guy said, okay, let me kukuma back off for now. Honestly, let me tell you the truth. I don't like to work with women. Mongwa Wuruze does not like to work with women. But that does not change the fact that our deputy prime minister, she's not doing what she's doing right. She is getting it right. She has not gotten it wrong. Remember, I usually say deputy prime minister is not, she's not a robot. Even robots get corrupted. Do you get? So for Ugo 247 to come and announce his resignation is that there are things that they are not paying attention to him, that they are paying attention more to other things and paying attention more to other people. So which means me, that is Ugo 247, that have been here for long, I've not been paid attention to. So this was just what happened. Biafrans, I don't want to go further than this.
Fans, this Stephen Cross still insists that Ngozi Arobeze is the best. He still insists that Ngozi Arobeze is doing what she's supposed to do to bring Biafra into a full recognition. He even talked about Igwe Butuzo and Gentle. He even talked about the beef between Ngozi Orobeze and the men on ground. So guys, listen to Stephen Crooks. You will get more information from him.
Now, coming to Igwe Butuzo. Igwe Butuzo, okenye si na omahe ekwu okwu warana kodi, idarana. Now, when Obatobie was in charge, you people were doing woto, showing us, hey, una konka gebe ni, uno melonka. Then immediately that Obatobie was called in for questioning, you ceasefire. Now, this woman that you are calling this woman took the bull by the horn and went to Finland, which I could not do, which any of this USB, people, USB staffs today that are working under her was not courageous enough to do. This woman took the bull by the horn, went to Finland, even with the intimidation of the arrest by the Finnish police. This woman paid no attention to that. She paid deaf ear and went to declare Biafra independence on the 29th day of November 2025. You, Igwe Butuzo, did not come to address your own people. To tell them that Namuna Muno Eto Akite declare go Biafra. Nketi Yekwe. Igwe Butuzo, you kept quiet. You didn't say a word. And people were like, where is Igwe Butuzo? Where is Gentu? Where is Igwe Butuzo? Oh, you could tell Gentu to go and apologize on behalf of you if you have said any derogatory word against Prime Minister. But you could not tell Gentu to come and tell Dr. Ngozi Orobeze, Her Excellency, that you are still with the USB. Now, Gentu came out and started, presenting you as chief of staff. Do you people have sense at all? I said I was never going to talk about you people, but you people are bringing yourselves out. I love you guys very well. I respect every one of you. Why did you people not make any statement? Immediately Biafra was redeclared. That's to show that you people are not following the due process of the law that Obatobie put on ground. You people have sold out, and I beat my chest to that. If you say you respect Prime Minister, then you should respect his surrogate, which is Dr. Ngozi Orobeze. What is holding you back? What is holding you back? Because you know that you have sold out. Because you know that somebody is giving you what you could not, what Dr. Orobeze cannot give you directly. Biafra is now a nation. We have decentralized military. If that is your fault or your problem, why don't you cease fire and come to tell Biafra this is your problem? I'm going to wait until Obatobie comes out. Why are you people trying to create unnecessary chaos? Okiwena is under siege. Igwe Butuzo, what are you now doing? Gentle the Yahoo, instead of him to come and tell Biafrans that we are strongly beside you people, we are standing beside you people, no matter what happened, because these were the most loved, trusted, and up-hand-raised soldiers that we had in Biafran before. He came and started eating chicken on live television, telling us that yeah, okay. Why the Nigerian government came with their military terrorists and, why our people without any remorse? You people never shaked. They blazed our people. Over 3,000 people were died in Biafran land. When Obatobie was removed, did you people say anything? Now you are fighting a woman. Do you people have sense or shame at all? You are fighting a woman that went to bring Biafra, Dokata Biafra. Now no I go ofutia. That you are Noleba, that's devil, that eccentric woman. Noleba ne mesaga up and down. Ndunaga. Nana vam. Noleba ne mesaga where he. Did you hear her say that They planned evil against Obatobie. Una anolia? Oge nke unu no oge nke na akpa ana akukonyele unu ụgwọ. Ana egwusisi ndị bai. Are you people not ashamed of yourselves? Once a tough generals, Igwe Butus of that time was up and another gentle Futaku Kundam Osana in the zoo no. Didn't I say after they kidnapped Simon, what happened? Because the deputy prime minister declared Biafra. Then other people called you people and started talking to you people, and you listened. That's what you're coming to tell us. Despite the fact I respect and I love Ogo 247, but my boss, you misfired. You misfired. I respect you so much. No disrespect, sir. When you said that Ngozi is not using the templates, none of these people are working with the template. Someone asked you that question and you said, none of them is working with the template. Do you know the template? What the template says? Have you seen the template? I don't know the template. The only template I know that Obatobie laid on ground and Nnamdi Kanu is the truth. And that was what we were following. What other templates do you expect Ngozi Orabueze to come up with? Ogugu, I was disappointed in that video you made. You shouldn't have made it. You have given these animals edge to talk to Ngozi Orabueze. People that cannot stand their shoes. People that cannot stand their shoes. But anyways, I don't blame you. You know what you wanted. You know what you know. You know what's best for you. You are a man. So I can't decide for you. Somebody will use Biafran's emotions to be playing. Now why that Ngozi Orabueze and they did not ovulate? But you mess up. You mess up. I will just look you like say you know what you did. You don't know what you did do. Yes, we go 247. You condemned everything Butuza said. But what would have happened? Are you not aware that Dr. Orabueze called these individuals, even had meetings with her? Is it not the same man that came out and said, oh, immediately Ngozi finished having meetings with her, that she sent jet fighters? Did you not hear that? What else are they going to do for Butuzo? What else? It is not fair. It is not fair. It is not fair. It is not fair indeed. Of course it's not fair, I'm telling you, sir. It's not fair. It's not fair. Today you say you'll be coming live. I was on your program that day, but I was so disappointed, sir. Very, very disappointed. I was very disappointed. You trained me. You trained me. I'm not going to lie, you trained me. Most of the things I do, you trained me. But please, sir, I think it is better you just keep calm and let our Prime Minister be the judge. We cannot be a judge in our own case. Please, with all due respect. USB has suffered enough. Biafrans have suffered enough. Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSSS dungeon, suffering from all this thing that is going on. Our Prime Minister was called in just because of us, and we should respect that. In everything we do, let us remember there are people at the forefront fighting for us. We don't need to pull this USB down by any means necessary. Nothing can ever change my mind. I'm telling you people. That is why I said I do not want any position in the USB. Biafrans, I will continue to tell you people the truth. I will draw my curtains here. We'll be watching. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all.
Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Please, wherever you are, pray for Okigwe. Okigwe is seriously boiling at the moment. So many souls are being buying in Okigwe. So many people are being kidnapped in Okigwe. So many things are happening already in Okigwe. Pray for Okigwe. Udo dira in amen. Gordon biko nụ tụsara n'ozi a ka anyị kpakọrịtara ụka na comment section anyị. We all love you. Bye.